guys, and today I'm going to be showing you how to get a giant TNT block. So, like in Minecraft, and this doesn't take very long. It takes less, and everything that I'm doing right now is free. So, well, you have to have Minecraft, and it has to be Java edition, or else this won't work. So, have your Minecraft. Yeah, I have this problem all the time. But what you need to do is you open your browser, then type in Tinkercad, just like that. And I have it uppercase, but it doesn't matter. Type it in, then Tinkercad. Then you create an account, okay? And then you click create, and you click create new design. And now you have a work plane. And so, to make a giant TNT block, or a sphere, but a block. So, what you do is you put, okay, so you see all those tiny individual blocks are a single block, except sometimes it'll upscale it. Now you have a block, and so you can scale it up. And make it just the size of the work plane. Okay, and now I think I would like to make it a bit bigger. And here we are. So, and you can also make it in the shape of a sphere or any of these things. You can also, and you can make like any shapes. You can make a house and made out of TNT and stuff like that. And so, yes, this is how you do it. And well, you might want to name your project when you're done. I'm gonna name it to Peebs. Okay, so now once you've done that, you click on the little pickaxe in the corner here. See the little pickaxe? Click it. And now it should show it in Minecraft, and it'll show you a tree. And that tree is like for scale. So this is how big it's gonna be. So that's the size of a regular Minecraft tree. And so this is how big it's gonna be compared to a regular tree. And keep in mind it will be hollow. And so you can click on this, and then you can actually make it any block. But, well, for this video, we're gonna be using TNT. And now it should turn like a pinkish, I don't know, pinkish, like kind of grayish. No, not gray. I'm like, yeah, well, I don't know. Like kind of, it looks like clay. But once you're done with that, click export. Then it should be a little download in the corner with that thing that's called a schematic. And then you can keep Tinkercad running just in case you need to run another copy. And then with that, now you need to download a program called MC Edit. You download a program called MC Edit. Then once you have downloaded it, you open MC Edit. Should look like some hackery stuff. Ooh, this looks cool. But it's really just opening the command prompt. Okay, so now you're in your world, and then what you need to do is select a world that you want to be in. Select the world that you want the huge TNT block to be in, or whatever structure you made. So, I made a world, so I'll click on that world, then it'll immediately open it. And then that is, I previously did an explosion in this world, and that's why it's broken. And so then you click on edit, and now it should say something like this. And now you can see the world. And there's my explosion. And so what we can do, so now what do? We click on import. Wait, import, export. Oh wait, hold on, let me do that again. So there's this thing in the corner that says import/export. Click on this, click on import, and then click on the schematic in here. Like for example, here's a schematic. So then you click on this, then you double click on the schematic, and here it is. Well, keep in mind that it is gonna be hollow. There is no way to make it like full. But here's the thing from outside. It is humongo. So yes, this is gonna be super cool. And so, yeah. So once you have this, then you click on save. And in the corner, you click save. Then you click confirm. Now it should be saved to the world. Now you click save again. And then it should be saved to the world. Now you can exit and now go into your Minecraft Java edition. Then you have to, once you're in your Minecraft Java edition, you have to go into 1.11.2 or higher. But 1.11.2 works the best. 1.14 won't work. So you have to go back a few versions in order for this to work. So then once you have that, you click on this. Then once you have your version, you click play. Alright, so once you're in Minecraft, make it full screen. So, single player. Then go into that same world. And it should load. Oh, it actually made it a few blocks thick. See? So there's all your TNT. Sometimes you spawn inside it, which is kind of annoying, but it's all worth it in the end. This thing is humongo. Okay, let's look at it. Boom. Here's your giant block of TNT. So, obviously, now we explode it. This is gonna be so awesome. God. This is too funny. I'll just let you enjoy the explosion here. And there's the full explosion. And now the world is even more destroyed. Wait a minute. Guys. What is that? Right on the pointer. Guys. Have I officially blown bedrock? No, seriously. I think I have officially exploded bedrock. This is crazy. Okay, well, I'll see you guys later, and bye. So, yeah. Bye.